Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we are going to be unboxing a Premier, what did they call this? They say Premier Sock Kit, craft your own pair. I purchased 3 different kit colors. I got Insomniac, Purple People, as well as Prep School. So Prep School is this teal blue combination. Purple People is this multicolor purple and like lime green along with a lime green solid. And Insomniac looks kind of like it has crayon colors as well as a red solid yarn. So I purchased these 100% with my own money. These are not sent to me or anything else. I do have an affiliate link in the description box down below if you are interested in purchasing a kit for yourself. So today's video is just going to be unboxing. I do plan on taking the Purple People one and knitting a pair of socks following the knitted sock pattern. There is a sock pattern, a knitted sock pattern, as well as a crochet sock pattern to go along with these. I will insert pictures here of what those look like. And let's see, what do we get and what do I think of what is inside of our packet here. So everything is sealed up. It is an actual sealed packet. So this is supposed to be a sock kit, which to me means everything you need to make a pair of socks should be inside of this, with the exception of, like, say, a tapestry needle, and in some cases needles or hooks. I do know this kit does come with a set of knitting needles though. Now for the pattern, I will be using my preferred method of 2 at a time on a circular needle. However, for your first pair of socks, I don't recommend doing that. I do recommend using DPNs or 1 sock at a time using magic loops. So this comes with 5 US2 Premier knitting needles. We have 1 ball of the solid yarn. This is the Sock Kit Solid, 114 yards, 105 meters, 0.88 ounces, 25 grams. This is 50% superwash merino, 25% rayon from bamboo, and 25% nylon. We also get 2, oops, I perfectly lost the ball bands here. 2 of our multicolor yarns, which is the primary yarn for this. This is the same metrics as far as the fiber blend, but these are 228 yards, 210 meters, 1.76 ounces, 50 grams per ball. So we get 125 grams of yarn in this kit. Get my ball bands back on my yarn here. And this is the yarn that I will be working with. Now, I personally do not prefer crocheted socks. I do prefer my knitted socks. So I will not be following the crochet pattern for these. I will just be doing the knitting pattern for these. Now, also down in here, we do have a crochet hook. We have a 2.25 millimeter standard steel crochet hook, as well as a set of locking stitch markers. So that is everything but a tapestry needle you should need to make these socks. On the package as well, you do have a QR code that will take you directly to the sock pattern that they have put together to go with this kit. So these are $24.99, I believe, on the Premier website. Like I said, I do have an affiliate code with them down below. So my first initial thoughts here, especially since they include the crochet hook as well as the knitting needles, I do have to say I'm rather pleased with that. I would have preferred to see some form of smaller marker as a knitter. These are perfectly fine markers. I actually use quite a few of these safety pin style markers. But when it comes to knitting socks, I would like to keep as little bulk as possible. So for me, these might actually be a little bit bulky. Of course, I grabbed like the brightest one and it's going to blow out real bad. These might be just a little bit bulky for me as far as marking the beginning of my round and stuff like that, just because I do have a preference after knitting probably around 65, 70 pairs of socks over the last 10 years. I do prefer a smaller marker than that, but for the price, I actually think you're getting a fairly decent deal out of this. You have the 125 grams of yarn, or 125 grams of yarn, as well as everything you could need to make it other than the tapestry needle, and the fact that they have curated patterns that are already on the bag for you to, you can scan it and have it on your phone or your device, have it to go with you. I'm pro kit. I think, especially when you have the hooks and needles in there, I tend to really like the product. So I'm a little bit excited about that. I do think that makes this a lot easier. What are your opinions on that one? I will also put up a card index here that shows the colorways. I should have probably counted to see how many are in there. I did not. I did order 3 of these. So one of these is going to be used as part of a later giveaway down the road. However, I would like to give away the Insomniac set as part of this video. So this is in no way, shape, or form associated to YouTube, Instagram, Ravelry, anything else I'm associated to, or even Premier Yarn. I purchased this out of my own money to do the unboxing. So if you would like to be entered into a drawing to receive one of these Premier sock kits, I do ask that you are in the US. Leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite colorway is and whether or not you have made socks in the past, or if you're excited to finally knit your first pair of socks or crochet your first pair of socks. Of course, my cat's going to go crazy as I'm in the middle of this. So just let me know what your favorite colorway is. Have you knit socks, or are you looking forward to knitting or crocheting socks for the first time? I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. We will come back and do a final thoughts, feelings, and reviews on the knit pattern, as well as how I feel this kit worked up overall. I love you, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. Bye, guys.